Good morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on the time you're watching this video. And welcome to my Practicum Closure speech. My name is Rodolfo Huelvas, and now I'll be going through what I've done this semester in the program of English with the professor Luz Eugenia Gonzalez. So let's begin. And I'm going to talk first about the school where I work. I have the chance to work at the Business School of Monteria. This is the entrance of the school, the main entrance. On the back side of this, or the opposite side of this entrance, is the preschool entrance. So it's a school that goes from pre-garden all the way to 11th grade. And it's a very well-known school in Monteria. So I just wanted to this is a different view of the same entrance. The school is small in size, actually, only one grade per classroom, so we don't have that many students, and we have at the most 25 to 29 students per classroom. So it's a bilingual school, and it has been since 1986 when it was founded. These are the emblems. On the left side is the school shield. On the right side is the emblem that usually teachers wear on the uniforms, and the shield is worn by the students. This is a picture of my 10th grade students. But this picture is very old. This is when they were about 6th grade or 7th grade maybe. But because of the pandemic, we have not got the chance to go to school for about March of 2020. March 2020, mid-March, we have not got the chance to go back. So this was one picture I found from them when they were small. I don't have an actual picture of them at school because of the pandemic. So I can see now here is Eduardo Piñeros, Alejandro Espinosa, and Eduardo, this is Emiliano, and so and small kids right here. So anyway, these are some of them now. There are 23 students in 10th grade. This is me right here, standing up. Very old picture from maybe 3 years ago, to be this one of the inside parts of school. So let's start the methodology type of research. Okay, for the upper levels, the school is go through immersion. The school is totally immersion anyway. From the lower levels all the way to 10th and 11th grade is immersion. Most of the classes. Most of the time, classes has to be in English, so so the students get used to the pronunciation and the same way we learn Spanish when we are little kids. That's what we try to do at school through immersion. So each class is monitored by my coordinator anyway. But I work in school, and I teach 10th, 11th, and 5th grade in some of the 10th grade classes. 7th grade classes. So I had a chance this year to go from 5th, some of the 7th grade classes, 10th and 11th. It's been quite a ride this year with the virtual classes, but we had the support of the school and the parents, and everything has gone well. Each class must be full in English, as I said, to maintain students immersed in the English language. And for the upper levels, we use the Swain's hypothesis of input and output method of learning, meaning that input is what they learn through listening and reading, and output is what they produce through speaking and writing. So the 4 skills are developed fully. The research schedule, well, I have I have the chance to and have plenty of time. The school starts on August 2020, and we're going to finish following week, June 2021. Is calendar B school. But the research was conducted during class hours. According to the school schedule, there are 13 hours of English per week in 10th grade from Monday to Friday. Those 13 hours are divided into different things. It cannot be, it's English, but we got certain hours for lab work, another hours for social work that they do in a public institution, teaching English to small kids from 3rd, 5th grade. It's a project the school has for about 20 years already, and it's 10th grade students that do the project. The project is called Sharing. It's a very good project to share the English language that they already know at school. So that's what we do. And then we divided the rest of the hours between conversational and some lessons and things like that. So it doesn't get too boring. Actually, try to be dynamic, as most dynamic as I can with them, and more if we're doing virtual classes. So that's how we cover those 13 hours per week in English. They have another subjects they also do in English, like science, and the only two they don't have is Spanish and ethics. So, but most of the subjects are in English. Reference where we have to follow the pay of school. That's what we do according to the rules of the school, and that's what we follow actually. Some evidence. Well, this year, because of the pandemic, everything was done by virtual notebooks and virtual books, so they didn't have that much of physical things. And but from time to time, I will ask them to write by handwritten. So certain things, and this is one of them. So I just wanted to show you. And this is a picture of them with me in a virtual classroom. There are 23 students in, 25 students in 10th grade. I cannot tell if everybody's here, but anyway, most of them are here with the cameras on, as the school asks them to do, to keep and try to keep control of the class anyway. But that's basically it, what we did this semester, and what we have been doing all this year, since August. I have been with them, and it's been a really great year, teaching them and learning from them also. So, nothing more. I will thank you, and see you later on.